Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Vlogs for Less with me, Avanita. In my video today, I'm just going to show you 6 easy DIY Father's Day gift that I did here at home. Guys, stick with me to the end. You will see how amazing these gifts turned out. Most of these items I already have at home. The basket I got from Poundland, the tissue paper, most of them are like from One Below. All the items that I use are listed down below, and most of them I actually got them from my cupboard. So as you can see, I went ahead with some puff pastry, some honey, some whole hazelnut, and a Father's Day mug, and a coaster holder. I got the coaster holder and the mug from One Below, which is in Waltham Cross. I got these over a month ago. I'm not really sure if they're still there, but I got these over a month ago. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and share. And if you're returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for returning to my channel. So for the second one, I went in with a shampoo and conditioner together. Then I went in with a pretzel. This I think is chive and onion. Again, one of the coaster holder and one of the Dad You're My Hero tea mug. And I went in with a fox key holder that I got from One Below as well. For the third gift, actually this is one of my favorite gifts because it's for like a granddad. So I went in with a bottle of Gordon gin, a box of Ferrero Rocher. I went in with a little glass to pour your gin in. I went in with some roasted and salted cashew nut, a coaster holder, and also a bell. So the bell is there if you want to ring, you know, it says ring for drink. So yeah, this is what I went in with. I tried to organize it, but I didn't like the way how it came out. As you can see, I play with it a little bit, and then I just came up with basically what the end is. So these are just guide as to what you can do for Father's Day. You don't really necessarily have to do what I do. These are just an idea or ideas that you can use without, you know, breaking the bank or even going too far into your savings. I mean, it's Father's Day. There's certain still restrictions on, you know, what you can do and that, but still, it doesn't have to cost you a lot at all. So for the next one, I went in with some shower gel, some shaving foam, deodorant, chocolate, and a mug, a sponge, and also I went in with like a foot mask and one of those keyring again and one of those brushes, and I just organized it in the basket. As you guys remember, this basket, I use it in my Easter hamper for the kids. I had a few left over and it works really well. And there you go, simple and easy. This is actually one of my favorite. I did say that to the last one, but this is actually one of my favorite. I wanted to use the razor blades, but I decided no, I'll change it for a photo. So definitely this is something simple that you can use. The cup again, One Below, the coaster holder again from One Below, and I just jazz it up with the M&Ms that I got from the Poundland. The M&Ms are £2, and I just cut it and pour it into the cup. Put the photo frame there and a bag of the Twirlies bits, which is Cadbury, and I just use my cellophane just to wrap it up together just to make it look really nice. Don't be afraid to go in there and then just fix up everything and then just get it enough in a position where you can tie it and make it look nice, and you can just use a piece of jute or, you know, a twine just to hold it together. I'm so excited for Father's Day. It will be Father's Day in Jamaica as well. My dad isn't here, but also I still want to celebrate. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see how Gabo will like his gift. These are not gift for Gabo, so obviously, but these are just ideas. So I want to see how his reaction will be, and then also Trayvon is preparing gift for him as well, so I want to see what his reaction is. So as you can see, I'm wrapping onto the cellophane onto the gift. I want to do it and a little bit more different this time. So I started off with some of the sticky tape on the bottom, and then just bring everything to the bottom, and then just keep the top quite smooth, and then just fold the side just like how you'd wrap a present, and just make sure that everything is nice and neat and folded under. You want to use a generous amount of the tape just to keep everything in place. And then that's it, that's the first one. This is the second one. Again, these are just stuff that I had in my cupboard, and I just, you know, just pick out some. I mean, this could be like a tea thing, you know, like Happy Father's Day. This is something you can have for tea. There's the puff pastries, the honey, the chai tea, and the Earl Grey, your cup, your coaster holder, and obviously some nuts, and obviously the honey. It's not that expensive. As anybody know who shop at Aldi, Aldi is a quite cheap and really good store, so you don't really need to break the bank just to give dad, stepdad, or uncle, or whoever it is that you need to give a present. Make sure everything is nice and neat before you put on that final piece of tape, and just keep everything within the place of how you had set it out before. And then, just as I said, just keep it nice and neat under the basket for the moment, and then just add your piece of tape just to keep it there in place. This is actually the same thing, just cut down your cellophane. I actually got the cellophane from Wilko. I only bought 2 pieces and they were £1 each, and I wrapped 6 gifts. So really useful cellophane. You don't really need a lot, just basically just do what I do and just wrap the necessary part of it. You don't need to wrap the whole basket. Trim off the excess which is hanging. If you have enough hanging and you don't like the way it is, just trim it off, and then just make sure it's secure with the tape. And then again, same thing for the last one. Tape down, clip it off, flip it over, put it down, put your basket on, make sure it's nice and secure, wrap it over, and just keep folding it in, make sure everything is secure and simple. That's it. So this one is like a last minute gift that if you just have a few stuff at home that you can put in. I got this bag from Home Bargain. It was 59p, and this latte mojito, if I'm saying it correct. I had it from Italy. As I said, this is just ideas and I just drop it in. The razors that I did try to put into the gift before, I just put it in. So this is just a little bag, a bag gift that you can give to somebody. You know, obviously Happy Father's Day card, just drop it in. And then I went in with one of the brush again. You know, dads are always, you know, working hard with their nails, so definitely you can give it to them, or granddad. And I just went in with the coaster holder, and there you go, we have the 6th gift. Guys, this is what everything looked like. This is the end result, as you can see. So this is the first gift with the, which is a small bag gift. This is the second one, which is like shower gel, deodorant, foot care, shaving gel, key ring. There's so much stuff, but yeah, this is what everything looks like, as you can see. And it didn't cost me a lot. Most of these things I got for £1 or less. Again, this would look so expensive. You wouldn't believe that everything in this basket is under £7. You would not believe this. This is what, £6? Yeah, £6. So definitely. And there's the bell I was talking about, ring for drink. Definitely you would need one of those for Father's Day. This is more like a personalized gift. So I just went in with a photo frame that we had with me, Gabo, and the kids. I wanted to get a photo with Gabo's daughter, but I wasn't able to download it in time. So obviously I'll do something different for his Father's Day gift, and just to personalize it a little bit more. you know, just to celebrate with his daughter as well. But yeah, this is what the next gift looks like. This is the one with the puff pastry, the hazelnut, the Tetley, Earl Grey, and also the chai tea. So yeah, the honey and everything looks really nice. You can't believe that this is just stuff that I have at home and very inexpensive items. Guys, thank you so much for checking out my video, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.